That is the TeleBT. It's a Bluetooth device that is transmitting and receiving packet and telemetry from the altimeter, accelerometer, everything that's in the Telemega. This is the Telemega, and has GPS, altimeter, other sensors including accelerometer. And you can see my little jumper wire that is in place of the switch that'll go inside the rocket. This is the monitor, the Telemega panel from Altus UI, which is the user interface, does all the setup, all the monitoring, etc. It's a fairly simple user interface for dealing with the rocketry. This is the arrow antenna. For this job, it's complete overkill, but it's also, as you can see, it has vertical and horizontal elements. The horizontal elements are 2 meters, the vertical elements are 70 centimeters, or 145 and 435 megahertz. That's used for amateur radio satellites.